You lost your father. You think I'm your father. I'm not your father. My name is Penny Penny. I cannot have a son as stupid like you, ugly like you.
Hello Muzanzi, in case you are wondering what is going on, Papa Penny Penny had been dragged into the hip-hop diss track by Duncan. The rapper Duncan dropped Papa Penny Penny in his new Big Zulu diss track, Umncwabo. It had been back-to-back drama in South Africa's entertainment scene this week. First, it was Big Zulu. He had things to say about some of the big names in the SA hip-hop entertainment, which did not go well for the rappers that he aimed at. Duncan, the rapper, hit the studio and promised fans response to the track. Well, he had no choice because a fan threatened to report his account if he did not respond. He returned with his own diss track, Umncwabo, and he name-dropped Papa Penny Penny, calling him Zulu Papa Penny. So Papa Penny Penny reacted with this video saying that perhaps Duncan does not know his father. That's why he is dissing him. Anyway, Mdase, till I see you again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest Mugozi. Bye bye.
Nonsense. Don't do that to me. Ungasiyendi. Maybe you lost your father. You think I'm your father. I'm not your father. My name is Penny Penny. I cannot have a son as stupid like you, ugly like you.